Okay, I have a new canvas set up, and it's not complicated, but I want to explain a few things to you before we move on. So let me explain the links you see, the blue links you see in all of my canvas tabs or things you can click on. Those are the things that are going to take you to the actual videos. The actual boxes that you see, above me, over here, and down there, those boxes are just short videos. So when you click on that little box in the video, it'll show you a short clip of what's going to happen in the big picture. So if you want to see the small video, that's fine, but you will not get taken to the YouTube page unless you click on the blue links that I have on my canvas. So I hope this helps. You don't have to go from 1, 2, 3, 4 to doing something. You can choose your own activities.